Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create this scroll track animation. So let's jump into it. So today I was creating my portfolio. I just wanted to create a scroll tracker just like this. It has a smooth animation. Even going reverse, it has a very smooth scroll just like this. So what you can do is you can go to Framer Motion and install Framer Motion by going here. You can copy it from here and install it. I have already installed this. So what I will do is I will just create a Framer Motion component for this progress bar. So what you can do is you can go to your project. So inside your project you're gonna have to create a component. So I'm going to create it inside components folder. I will call it progress track .tsx. You can do it with JSX also. So I'll just export function from here. I will call it progress track. So what you need to do is firstly convert this into a client component. Now let's import motion from Framer Motion. I'm going to create a motion div. And I will self-close it. So to track the motion, what you need to do is you can import a useScroll hook which is given by Framer Motion. Just do it this way. We are going to track the Y scroll. So what I will do is I will type scroll Y progress and I will import useScroll hook which is coming from Framer Motion just like this, and I will create an animation for smooth scrolling which is also done by Framer Motion's one hook called useSpring. So what you can do is you can just do it like this. You can write scale Y which will take useSpring which is coming from Framer Motion. This takes two arguments. So first argument is scroll Y progress which is coming here, and after that you can pass an object which will take the smoothness of the animation. You can do it something like this. Yes, we'll go to 100, and for damping I will go with 30, and so theta will be, let's keep it here. This should work. Let's just use this inside our div. We need to pass it in style, and I will just paste it here. Now let's try to use this component into our page, which should be, let's try to use it on the left. We'll paste it here, import it from components, close it. Let's try to run our project. So as you can see, nothing is showing here. So what you can do is you have to give it some styling. So what I will do is I will just write a class name because I'm using Tailwind. You can write classes here also, but I'm using Tailwind, so I will write classes here. I will give a position of fixed and height of, yes, it should be full. And you can give it background of anything. I will go with primary. And from, it should be starting from top. So top 0. And I have to give it origin from top as well, because it's going to start from top. In this case, I want it to be at that left. I will give it at left, so 0. Let's give it a right also. Right of 99%. And to give it 10%, you can do it like this. Let's see if it's showing now. Yes. So this is how you implement scroll track using frame of motion. And you can go creative with it. You can play with this, and maybe just duplicate it and play with this. Let's try to duplicate and play with this and create some more cool animations. Let's just add them into a div. First, let's keep it sample. Let's try to do this. See? Now it's starting from center. Just count this one. Now you can see. Yes. Thanks guys for watching.